it also known as SOQ. And my name is Karthik Pal. And first, what is COSTEX? COSTEX is a software developed by primarily used for construction cost for cost estimating measurements, and the cost of COSTEX software can vary depending on other factors such as the COSTEX 2D or 3D, and the number of license needed and any additional features or modules you require. And here's the features of COSTEX. There are 4 features. The first is estimating tools, and COSTEX typically offers a range of tools for estimating construction costs, including quantity takeoffs, pricing database, and cost modeling capabilities. And here's the second one, cost database. This database, the software often includes extensive database of materials cost and like the labor rates and other construction related expenses, which users can leverage to generate accurate estimates. And here's come the third one, interrogations. COSTEX may offer interrogations with other software platforms commonly used in construction, such as building information modeling. It's also known as BIM, and accounting softwares and project management tools. And the last one is customization. User can often customize the software to suit their specific needs, workflow, such as creating custom templates and reports and cost breakdown structures. And here's more features of COSTEX. Like the first one is collaborations. Some versions of COSTEX support collaborations features, allowing multiply the users to work on the same project and share the data seamlessly. And second one is version control. This software may offer version control capabilities, enabling user to track changes and compare different versions of estimates. And now we comes on third one, cost tracking and reporting. COSTEX typically includes features for tracking actual costs against estimated costs, and generating reports and analyzing various to help project managers stay on budget. And here, like you see, first the opening COSTEX and navigation the new project. Here's the new building. When we click on it, and we see like this sheets. Here we selected, and in this one we are doing the measurements and quantifications. For example, like gross floor area is a measurement used in architecture, like real estate and urban planning, to quantify the total floor space within buildings, including all floors and area measured from internal face of external walls. Okay. And here's the when we in the next step in this, the measurement is area of different space in the building. Here we can see the measurement of finishes and in the different areas, or using marble carpet, like we see the numbers and meters here by this area. And here we see the preparing of SOQ on the workbook by using COSTEX. And here we come on conclusion. In conclusion, COSTEX software helps to construction professional streamlines their estimating and cost management process. It enhances the collaboration and communications, and unlimitedly delivers project more efficiently and profitably. And yes, that's all. Thank you so much.
We have a few questions for you. What is GFA?
Sir, GFA is the gross value of gross value of floor. Gross floor area, sir.
Do you have any idea about the inclusion and the exclusion? Do you have any idea about the inclusion and the exclusion?
Yes, sir. In inclusion, the in excluded area we have the like the outer area of like parking, the other floor, and in inner area we have the
Voice and
openings and
what is the include?
include
Yeah, what are the include in there?
including in the like doors, windows of
Or GFA?
the floor
Outlaw area.
floor area and the extent wall area.
Toilet, bathroom.
Okay.